Hello everyone, welcome back to CS Concepts. In this video, let's discuss a Python program to check a given number is prime or not. So here is the whole program. Let's understand this program step by step. So the first line of the code, you have temp is equal to 0. So this is a temporary variable, okay? This initializes a variable temp to 0. This variable will be used to indicate whether the number n, in the next line you can see number n, right? Is whether this number n is divisible by any number other than 1 and itself. Okay. Now the next line of the code, you have n is equal to integer input, please enter a number. So this line prompts the user to enter a number and converts the input to an integer, storing it in the variable n. Okay, after getting user from the input, we have for loop to check if n is divisible by any integer I starting from 2 up to n by 2, not including n by 2. So what is this division operator is? It is a float division operator. It discards the fractional part and it gives only the integer part as the result. Okay. This range generates numbers from 2 to n by 2 minus 1. So if n is divisible by I, so this line, you can see n modulus I equal to 0. It means n is not a prime number. Thus, temp is set to 1 and the loop is exited with the break statement. Okay. Now let's do the prime number check. Here you can see if temp equal to 1. It indicates that n was divisible by some number other than 1 and itself. So, n is not a prime number. Else, if temp is still 0, it means no devices were found other than 1 and n itself. So, n is a prime number. Now, let's check the output for this code. Okay, let me give some random number. The given number is not a prime number.